जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम friends. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay. You can see on your screen here candle stand lamp in Solidworks. Today we learn how to create simple candle stand lamp in Solidworks. I don't know what's its subject name. I have the subject in front of my here in my hand. Okay. So today we learn how to create, I call this candle stand lamp. Here at upper at this hole we stand a candle, we put a candle, and so why I call it candle stand lamp. Let's start to create this from new file. Open a new file, select part. It's very easy and simple tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we learn different commands in SolidWorks. Okay, select right plane, go to sketch here, select line. From here at this point select a line, little bit here, select this line, this point, and here little bit add upper here. Dimensioning tool, give length 30 mm. Okay, select this line, give it 60 mm length. Okay, and this line 12 mm. Okay, this line 5 mm. Okay, now select 3-point arc from this point to this last point and little bit here curve. Okay, simply go to feature, select revolve base command, revolve boss base of SolidWorks. Okay, select this line for the axis. Okay, simply exit here. This is a bottom part created of candle stand lamp of SolidWorks. Okay, now select front plane, sketch front plane normal to. Okay, simply draw a circle, escape. First of all, center line, select a center line, from this point to here. Select dimension tool, give it dimension 45 plus 7.5. Okay, now select circle from this center to here. Dimensioning tool, give this dimension 90. Okay, simply exit, wait, just escape, and again to the center line, just here to here, little bit horizontal line. Okay, now go to right plane and sketch right plane normal to. Okay, here select a circle. Okay, start design circle from this point, give it dimension 15 mm, 15. Okay, simply exit. Okay, now simple we should rotate for better view. Here, go here and sweep boss base command, select sweep boss base, select this one, sketch 3 selected, already selected, and go here path, for the path select this Okay, this path selected, select OK. You can see here simply this object is created, almost created. Now go again front plane, sketch, front plane, normal to. Here select a line again from this point, okay, little bit here, select a line, okay, little bit, just a little bit here, okay. Dimensioning tool, give it dimension from this point to this point is 3 mm, okay. Select 3-point arc and create just here to, again go here, select this first point to here, little bit curved below, okay. Again select this point, add this point, and here little bit curved, okay. Let's select this point, little here, okay. Now go to features, revolve boss base command and select this line here, okay. Now rotate view, you can see inside this is simply little bit curved, okay. Now at the last thing, we know how much distance from this here, this point last, and here this point. This is 90 plus 7.5 mm and this was 30 mm and this is 3 mm. So go to geometry, select plane, we'll create a new plane at here, okay. Select top plane, okay, here 30 mm this and 90 mm this, 90 plus 30, 127, it should be 130.5, okay, 130, okay, 130 here, okay, put it 131, not 30 this one length and 90 this one, 90 and 30 120, 120 plus 7.5 plus 15, not 7.5, 135, 135 plus 3, 138, okay. Here my calculation was too slow, I know my maths too weak, okay. Now plane, select sketch, go plane normal to, okay. Select circle and draw a circle here, give it dimension, okay, here, keep it 30, okay, 30 is enough, okay. Here again exit command, select exit and little bit rotate for a new plane, Okay, here, so you can see better than now. Okay, select plane again and go here. Here you can select this plane, or you can go here and select here from this plane. And now this time 138, not just we need 25 mm. Okay, select this upper plane, last one which we created, plane 2. Here go and go to sketch, go here normal 2 and select a circle again. Draw a circle from here to this point. Let's keep it 40. Okay, now exit, simply exit. Select this one plane and hide. Select first plane and hide. Okay, let rotate view. Here we draw 2 circles. Now lifted boss base command, select this point, this circle, and select this circle here. Okay, select this upper plane and sketch. Select a circle from midpoint here. Okay, give it dimension, how much, keep it 27. Okay, go to features and extrude cut command, Z view. Okay, here it's 10, keep it 15. Okay, or keep it 17 mm. Okay, here. Now totally we'll created our simple object. Today we learn how to create candle stand lamp. It's so beautiful object. Here the last thing, add some material. Okay, here I selected already. Okay, here body, go to here and you can select appearance. At last select this and studio materials. Here you can wooden floor, select wooden floor. Okay, okay, here. I hope you like this simple tutorial, simple video of Solidwork, a simple tutorial how to create candle stand lamp. You can see it's looking so beautiful. This was candle stand lamp and Solidwork tutorial. I hope you like this. Please subscribe our channel and like. If you have any question about any command or anything, please comment below. I'll give answer each of every comment. Okay, thanks for watching, thanks for being here. Allah Hafiz.